Good evening, everybody. Hope everybody's doing all right on this Friday night. We got ourselves a winner's choice of either Creator 3-in-1 Roller Coaster or the Kylo Ren TIE Silencer. It's going to be a 1 through 12, so let's get ourselves a start time. A start time of 9:08. Let's go on over to PayPal, show our proofs. So everybody that participated. Let's go on over to random.org. Our secure page right there. So let's go ahead and get ourselves a couple refreshes. One more for good luck. Let's get 1 through 12. 1 through 12. Good luck. Gonna be number 4. Congratulations, number 4. Alright, let's go see who that was. Number 4. That's Eric Donahue. I think I know which one he's gonna pick. So we got winner. End it right here. So congratulations, Eric. Thanks everybody else for playing, and hope everybody has a fun, safe holiday weekend.